looks really good, guys. Try it.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sydney. Happy birthday to you. Okay, make a wish.
Frozen trout lake. Cold day in Vancouver. Oh my gosh, she's walking on the pond. Look at it.
Yes.
Don't fall in.
Big lakes are frozen. Like,
Birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hello.
Oh, it was so fun. Is this the smallest it could be? Yeah, it is.
There's a certain variety.
Thank you. I feel like she has she looks very similar to me.
I gotta like, I think we have a sponsor. Nope. I just saved it for my own.
Thank you guys.
I'll just have one.
They need to see it.
Oh!
There's some extra moves over there.
Yeah.
Give us a spin. Give us a spin.
That's what the white girls do.
Are you ready to cross or what? Or you're not? I don't feel like pushing.
Like when I was 15, I like went up to hit a rail. It hurt like a motherfucker for the rest of the night. And we got to like, oh, sorry. I didn't cuss. Sorry, Mom. There's a lot of chunder dunder here. Chunder dunder.
Ow!
What's the pole?
Fue
Hour too much.
Get it! Woo! Nice, nice, nice.
I don't know. I don't think so. That's stagnant. Okay, what was the other one?
That and then waiter turn,
Oh yeah, I remember this.
and then crossbody.
Dude. What was it? Oh yeah, this thing. I did not. I didn't got it with the beat. I was going fast. I was going fast. Just doing the moves. We're just doing the moves, baby. Just doing the moves.